Welcome to Cable Magic, reviewing the Amalgamated Tape product from Cable Magic. So I've got one open here. It's a very generous length of amalgamated tape. Off the top of my head, I think it's about 30 meters. And the difference with our amalgamated tape is the thickness, so it will last that much longer and go that much further. It's got a one side keeps it from sticking, and this is used in all your outdoor applications to waterproof things. As an example, you would waterproof the connection of the F connector where the cable meets the L and B on a satellite dish. You might waterproof the connection where the coax cable meets the connection on a TV antenna. To use it, you'd simply pull off approximately, 12 to 15 centimeters. Just by using hand strength, you rip it off. You peel off the white stuff like that, and then you'll find it's not that sticky, but you will stretch this and you would dress the connection around, pulling it relatively tight, and this stuff's really strong, and wrap it around the connection like so, and in the sunlight this rubber will slightly melt and it'll form a watertight bond and make it 100% waterproof. You've got to really stretch it, and it's got that waterproofing properties, whereas normal electrical tape or duct tape, water will penetrate it, but this will, melt in the sun a little bit, and it sort of gets sticky when it melts. So that's how amalgamated tape works, and this is perfect for waterproofing, those connections like I said, or waterproofing a splitter, like a TV antenna splitter, where it's unavoidable that you can't put it out of shelter, and you might put it under the eave or something like that, and you want to waterproof that. You'd use a lot of this. Now these rolls are going for about $20, but when you use one 15 centimeter piece per application, you will actually get anywhere from 20 to 50 uses out of one roll. So it's more than enough to do a lot of different jobs, and these are available from Cable Magic, from cablemagic.com.au.